everyone. I am sharing my third strategy today for a stress-free, quiet bedtime routine with your children. So my third strategy is actually my meditation script, which I call Tense and Relax Meditation. I learned this a few years ago on one of my teacher trainings that I attended in Mexico, and I just adapted it and started to use it with children. And it's a great bedtime technique because it only takes a couple of minutes. You can do it with any age group. I call it a meditation, but really it's more of a body scan. Your children can actually move in it. We want them to move in it. So it's kind of like a moving meditation that they can do whilst lying down with their eyes closed. So that's why it's great for all ages. So any parents who are thinking, oh, my child can't meditate, they're too young, or my child won't stay still, meditation is a great strategy for your child. So it takes a couple of minutes. I suggest that you do it whilst they're lying in bed so that they're actually getting to relax and release, and then hopefully ease them into a positive and peaceful sleep. And if you haven't already signed up to get the resources, then you can do so through the link in my bio or through the link above if you're watching this on Facebook. And that will give you the checklist, and it will give you the meditation script that you can it's really easy. You literally just guide the meditation by reading the script. If you're creative and you want to just, riff off it and do your own thing, you can. Or you can literally just read it word for word. As I say, only takes a couple of minutes. You can use it with any age group, with any children, no matter what their needs are. And it allows for a little bit of movement whilst also calming them down. So this is my third strategy of 5 strategies to create a stress-free bedtime routine that takes no longer than 10 minutes. So if you haven't watched the first 2 videos about my other 2 strategies, which is a breathing technique and a mindfulness activity, then make sure you watch those. And good luck with the meditation technique. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so. And then, of course, let me know how it's going for you. We're on night 3, so hopefully you're already starting to see some improvements in a positive experience for your bedtime and also for the sleep time. But I would really love to know how it's going for you. How have your children responded, and have you been able to implement all 3 strategies with your children over the last 3 nights? So DM me or comment on the video and just let me know how it's going for you. And I will see you tomorrow for my 4th strategy that I'll be sharing.